2 năm á, lớp viết Phi á, bạn mà không cho em nói nhớ không?
Bây giờ hai nói tiếp chưa?
Mẹ em ngon lắm nha, chừng nào mẹ đợi em,
Hello,
rồi em học xong.
Amy. Good evening.
Rồi chúng mình nằm dưới phía cái
Hi.
mềm nha,
Can you
nha.
hear me?
Yes,
All right, there you are. So how are you tonight, Amy?
I'm happy.
Very good. Are you now on your summer vacation?
What?
Oh, did you go to school this morning?
Yeah, no.
No.
Nói
Okay.
nghỉ hè
How
tiếng là
about
gì?
tomorrow? Do you still
Ờ,
have to go? Oh, how about on Monday? Do you still have to go
gì?
on to school?
Have a summer holiday. I have a Sunday more holiday. The
Yes.
summer.
Wow, that's great because you are now on your summer vacation. Wow. What is your plan for this summer, Amy?
What is your plan? What is summer? Có nghĩa là gì không? I don't know.
It's all right. You can just stay at home, relax, and learn. Anyway, for tonight, we are going to have a quiz. Can you still remember our lesson last
Yeah,
Wednesday? Nice. So what did we learn about last Wednesday? We learned about
we learn about grassy. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay,
No.
so we learned about opposite words. Okay, so what are the opposite words that we learned? Okay, what's the opposite of happy?
Pet.
Very good. What's the opposite of on?
Off.
Nice. What's the opposite of tall?
Short.
Great job. What's the opposite of up?
Down.
That's right. What's the opposite of small?
Big.
Very good. So I think you are now ready for a quiz. Okay, so let's start this quiz, Amy. So look at the screen. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right. So for the first part, I want you to look at all those pictures and match them. Okay, look at this first picture, Amy. What is it?
Easy.
Yes?
Rồi, đóng tiếng là gì? Đóng cửa. Close. Easy.
Close. That's right. Okay, what about the second picture?
Down.
This one. Down. Great job, Amy. Now, what about
Easy.
the third one?
Rock. Faster. Fast.
Pass. That's correct. How about the fourth picture?
Slow.
Amazing. Now look at this blue door.
Open.
That's right. And lastly, we have,
Up.
wow, can you give me a high five? Well done. So for that one, I'm going to give you 6 stars because you got a perfect score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing,
I have
Amy.
phone. Oh. I have
Yes. Okay, you've answered them all. Now, this time, look at the second part of our quiz. You listen to teacher and circle the correct answer. Okay? All right. So, question number 1. What is this book mostly about? A. Opposites are found all around us. Or B. Opposites are only found indoors. What's your answer, Amy?
B.
That's correct. Oh, try again. Okay, so that is bonus. It's letter A. Okay, now what about number 2? What is the opposite of on? A, off, or B, up?
Um, off. Off.
Great job. Okay,
With
what about
me.
number 3? The author's purpose for this story is A, to tell a story, or B, to inform.
To tell the story.
All right, let's see. Ta-da-da-ding-ding-ding. Nice try. It's to inform us about the opposite words. All right. Now, what about number 4, Amy? What is the opposite of fast?
Slow.
Yes, you're right. And last number. Finish this sentence. I blank the door before we left the house. A, I down the door, or B, I close the door?
B.
Of course, that's the answer. Wow, great job.
Four.
Not bad. You've got an almost perfect score. That's 4 out of 5. So, of course, you have 4 stars here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you give me a high five again? Nice. You're getting smarter and smarter, Amy. Now, look at the third part of the quiz. Listen to teacher again and tell me the correct answer of your choice. Question number 1. If your eyes are closed, you may be A, watching, B, looking, C, sleeping.
Looking.
Again. Okay, you have to understand the question. Look, number 1, if your eyes are closed, you may be A, watching, B, looking, or C, sleeping.
C.
Of course. So you try to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Are you looking? Close your eyes. Are you looking? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. Are you watching?
No.
Nice. Are you sleeping?
Yes.
Of course. Then that is the answer. You can now open your eyes. Great job, Amy. Now, what about number 2? What is the opposite of down? A. Yes. Easy peasy. All right. Now, number 3. How does a fast runner will finish a race? A. A fast runner finishes first, or B. A fast runner finishes after others, or C. A fast runner finishes last? A, B, or C?
A.
Of course, if you run so fast, then you will finish it first. Great job. Now, what about number 4? An open jar is not A, sad, B, closed, or C, cold?
Close.
Closed? Is that your final answer?
Close. Close.
Yes, there you go. Great job. Okay, now
I
what
say,
about
I say close. I say close 2 minutes.
2 times? Yes, I was just confusing you to see if you are really
Teacher,
sure of your answer.
teacher, hear me say close, but I say cold.
Oh, you said cold? I didn't hear you saying cold. I heard you saying closed for the second time. Okay, now look at number 5, Amy. Slow is the same as A, party, B, pokey, C, pretty.
Pokey.
A, B, or C?
A.
Let's check. Ta-da-ding, ding, ding. Uh-oh. It's letter B, pokey. Pokey also means slow. Okay, when we say party, it's like a birthday party, Christmas party, cat party, Halloween party, like that. pretty is beautiful. So there's no other word that has the same meaning with slow. That will be pokey. Okay, now look at number 6. What is the opposite of up?
Down. See.
Yes, that's right. So how many answers have you got here? So you've got 1, 2, 3,
5.
4. Oh, 5. That's
No,
right.
here.
So you've got 5 out of 6. All right. Can you give me a high five again? High five, Amy. Nice. So I will give you 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Okay, Amy. Now, this is the last part of, I'm not sure if this is the last part, but this is the part 4 of our quiz for tonight. So it's all about opposite words. So you are going to draw a line to match the picture with its opposite. Now look at the first picture. It's fast. So which picture can you match with fast?
Slow.
Very good. What about long?
Mm, okay, short.
That's right. Hot.
Huh?
Yes, hot. Look. Hot.
Cold.
Cold. Very good. Okay, front.
Front.
Yes.
I just
Okay, so look at this one. I'm gonna show you an example. Okay, look at my phone. This is the front. Oh, can you see it or no?
yeah, yeah.
All right. Now look at my phone. This is the front of my phone. Now if I turn it like this, then this is the back of my phone. Front and back. Now what about this one? This is,
Here.
that's right, front
Back.
and back. What about full?
Full. Full. I can know. Okay.
Okay, you say empty. Empty.
Empty.
Nice. All right. What about day?
Day.
Yes.
Day. Night.
Wow, amazing. Okay, happy.
Sad.
That's right. Okay, so congratulations. You've got a perfect score again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. 7 times 2. So that's equivalent to 14 out of 14. Can you give me a high 10? High 10. Wow. So you have another 14 stars, Amy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's a lot of stars for you. Okay. Now, well done for our
Good
quiz
job.
about this unit, Amy. So you've got a cup of hot choco. Do you like a hot choco?
Yes. Good job.
Yeah, so good job, Amy. All right. Now, let's talk about this unit. So, what was the story all about?
Question. Question.
Say that again.
What? Quiz. Quiz.
It was
Quiz.
all about the quiz. Very good. But before we had a quiz, what was our lesson all about since Monday?
I
It
don't
was
know.
all
I just say.
okay. So, look, we have here happy, sad, long, short. What else? Up, down, on,
Close. Close.
off. Very good.
Close.
Closed, open. So what do you call these kinds of set words? They are called.
I don't.
Okay,
Horse and horse.
you say
Horse and
op
horse.
you say opposite words.
Opposite word and cold, cold and hot.
That's right, cold and hot. Great job, Amy. So what was the story all about, Amy? It's all about
Quiz. Fish.
the quiz is just an activity for you, okay, to see if you really learned something during our discussion. But what was the lesson all about? It was all about,
He email.
it's all right, you say opposite words.
Opposite words.
Very good. So, what are the opposite words that was mentioned in the story?
Quiz.
Can you give me some examples of opposite words, Amy?
Yes.
What is it?
Up, down, close, open, off, on, and short, tough,
Front?
happy, sad,
Very
and
good.
close, open, and sad, and close, hot.
Yes. Now, what is the opposite of front?
Right,
Yes.
back.
Very good. What's the opposite of full?
I say I don't know, right?
You say empty. Empty.
Empty.
Yeah, so those are the new set of opposite words that we just learned for tonight. Okay, Amy. So that's it for this Unit 19 because we're going to have
Teacher,
a final test.
teacher, I have
Yes.
1 star, half, 2 star, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, um, um, I don't know.
17, 18, 19, 20 stars. Wow. So that was just for
Yeah,
the
here,
quiz.
here,
Yeah,
here.
so 21. So you've got 21 stars in
No, here,
total.
here.
Yes, that's already included, Amy. All right. So do you want to get more stars?
Yes.
Of course. Then are you ready to have this final test? Are you ready? Oh, it seems
Yes.
like you're not ready. Okay, give
Yes.
me. Okay, if I say, are you ready? And you say yes. Okay, you tell me, uh-huh, uh-huh. Are you ready? Here, you say, uh-huh, uh-huh. Are you ready?
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Wow, that's so cute, Amy. All right, then you are ready. Here it is. So, part one is all about vocabulary. So, same thing with our previous quiz. You just have to look at those pictures and match it. You can do it, Amy.
Oh no.
Let's
I
see if you
see.
can still remember our previous lessons from Unit 15 to 19.
Okay, I can do it.
You
But
can do it because you are smart.
I don't know this.
You know it. Let me help you. Look at this one. What is it? If you
Um,
touch this flower, how would you feel?
happy.
Okay, but happy is not in the choices. Okay, is it smooth? Is it dry, warm, rough, wet, or touch? What's that?
Wet.
Yes, very good. So, see, you know the answer. What about this? Tomatoes. Are they smooth? Dry, warm, rough.
Warm.
Okay, when we say warm, it's a little hot. Not hot, not cold, but just in between. Warm, like this. What do you think?
It's warm. Warm.
Okay, nice try. We'll go back on that one later. What about these vegetables? Okay, look at this one.
Huh?
It's burning. There's a
Burn.
flame on it. So, what's that?
I don't know. See.
Okay, we'll go back on that one. What about here until you will have your answer? How about this one? If you touch this piece of wood, how would you feel?
I feel touch. Touch.
You feel touch? Try again, Amy. Find another answer.
I don't know this. Warm. Warm.
Warm? Try again. Last one.
Three.
All
Here.
right, nice try. Now look at this one. This is a desert. In the desert, it rarely rains. Okay, now look at the soil or the land in the desert. What's that?
It's calm. Tigers.
If we have wet, then we have, what's the opposite of wet?
Mm-mm. Warm.
Nice try, Amy. All right, now look at this one. Let's have a review, okay? Now look at the tomatoes. If you touch it, it's very smooth. Now look at the vegetables, okay? There's a fire below it. So if you taste or touch it, it's warm because of the flame. Now look at the piece of wood. If you touch it, this is rough. Now look at the desert. It's very dry. And this one, this is touch. Okay, so you got 1 out of 6. Better luck on the next part. So I'll give you 1 star. Okay, now what about this one, Amy? Oh, very easy for you. Look and match it. You can do it.
I can.
You can do it. It's very easy. Very good, oval.
Oh no. Yeah.
Shapes,
Yeah.
nice. Star. Try again with the star. Choose another answer.
I don't the
Wow.
star. I
Shape,
Wait.
square.
Okay.
Oh, don't erase your answer because we're going to check.
Okay.
All right. So look at this one. Let's check your answer, all right? Now look at this. This is not a spiral. This is a triangle. And this one is the spiral. And the rest of your answers are correct. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is actually a good score compared to the previous one. 6 out of 8, Amy. Okay, so of course you got 8 stars. Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing, Amy. Now, what about this one? Look at a picture and match it.
Okay.
You can do it.
Water, right?
Very good. Water, not. Nice.
Kid.
Great
Right.
job. Oh, ice. That is not an ice. Fire.
Okay. Okay.
Wow, you got a perfect score. Okay, congratulations. That's 6 out of 6. Wow. Can you give me a high five? High five, Amy. Very good. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great
Mẹ ơi,
job.
hôm nay có gì sao
Okay,
không?
now look at
Giỏi
this
không?
one. Oh, this is a piece of cake for you because we already finished this. Oh, let's just keep this one. Oh, let's just keep this. What about this one, Amy? Look, you can do it.
I have found I can do it.
You can because you are smart. You just got a perfect score of 6 out of 6. If you could do it earlier, then you can do it now.
Like
Yes, that's right. Living room. Door. Try again. Kitchen. Very good.
okay. Door,
That's correct.
kitchen,
Great job.
living room,
Very good.
bedroom,
Nice.
house,
Wow.
bedroom.
Try again with the bathroom. Only the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, you don't have to erase it all, Amy.
Door, dining room. Okay.
Oh,
Dining room, bedroom,
very good.
bathroom, door,
Nice.
house,
Yes. Wow, that's perfect.
living
Uh,
room,
yes, that's amazing,
kitchen.
Amy. You've got 8 out of 8. So see, you can really do it. Can you give me a high 10? High 10. Wow. All right, so you have 8 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, Amy. Okay, now you did great in our quiz for tonight. So that means you understood our previous lessons from Unit 15 to 18. We just have to practice the senses of touch. Okay, so I want you to think. You try to touch a piece of wood. Okay, that is, how would you feel if you touch it?
Warm.
It is rough.
Warm.
Rough. Okay, what
Wow.
about if you touch your face? How would you feel?
Mẹ mời tiếng Anh là gì mẹ?
Touch your face, Amy. Is it dry? Is it wet?
Soft.
It's
Soft.
soft. Very good. I want you to touch um touch the table? Is it soft or rough?
Rough.
Rough, very good. So yes, practice the senses of touch. How would you feel if you touch this one? So you practice that one and familiarize those words. So anyway, Amy, for tonight, you've got how many stars? Let's count by five. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 53. Wow. You've got 53 stars for tonight. So thank you so much for joining our class. I hope you learned something and you remember our lesson. So have a good night and see you next week. Bye,
So
Amy.
wait. Wait. Um, I teacher me and mẹ ơi, thứ hai gì? Monday or Emma is our cat class and you check
I'll say that again. I don't understand.
Monday. Emma is our cat's class or teacher, right?
Oh, you want Emma to join our class starting on Monday?
Yes.
Oh, I'm okay
When
with that.
Wednesday and Monday.
Oh, Monday and Wednesday only, right?
Yes.
Okay, then what about on Friday? Only Amy, right?
No, Emma and Emmy too.
So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Oh, starting next week, Emma will join you. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So I can't wait to see Emma starting next week. So that would be so much fun. Thank you for informing me, Amy. I don't have any problem with that. Bye bye, Amy.
Bye bye.
Bye.